Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change your age or birthday on TikTok. So for that, you have to go on your TikTok app, go to me, and then press on those 3 points right up here. And now go to manage account, and here you have to remember your email and password, so click on them to write them down. And after that, you have to log out. So scroll down and click on log out. Okay, so here you have to continue with your phone, email, whatever you are logged in. I will continue with my email. And here you have to set your age, your birthday. After that, click next. Here you have to continue with your phone number or email. You will receive a code. And it's done. That's it, guys. As you see, it was really easy. And hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and also you can comment down below. And see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.